What is up? Welcome to the channel. Today we are checking out VoicePlay Carry On Wayward Son featuring Omar Cardona. I think I have done a few VoicePlay songs with Omar, if I remember correctly. I've done a whole bunch of VoicePlay stuff. If you guys haven't seen any of them, go down and check them out. I do know this song. I think it's originally done by Kansas, maybe. I may be wrong. Super excited to check it out. Well, I'm just going to jump straight into the video. So here we go.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Once I rose above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. I was soaring ever higher, but I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still was a blind man. Though my mind could think, I still was a madman. I hear the voices when I'm dreaming. I could hear them say, you cry no more. Masquerading as a man with a reason. My charade is the event of the season. And if I claim to be a wise man, it surely means that I don't know.
On a stormy sea of moving emotion, tossed about him like a ship on the ocean. I set a course for winds of fortune, but I hear the voices say,
carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Carry on, you will always remember. Carry on, nothing equals the splendor. Now your life's no longer empty. Surely heaven waits for you. Carry on my wayward son. There will be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. No, don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry no more. No more. Don't cry. No more. Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest.
don't you cry no more.
We're smooth at the end. We will watch this to the end. Yeah, that I wasn't sure how it was gonna go, being acapella, and it seemed to really work. Like they really did an amazing job on that. Like that was good. The sound effects, just the way they put it together was really cool. Really enjoyed it. If you guys got any more suggestions, throw those in the comments. Say what's up. I read everything. I comment to you guys back. Could have said that better. Awesome. I will catch you guys in the next one, which will be tomorrow, because I post them every day. So, peace out.